Hi, welcome to Craft Like Nobody's Watching. This is another video in the Gnome series. Some more accessories, which you could use for gnomes, dolls, costumes even. Now, our satchel is just made from, this is a woven um, Christmas sock. I had got it in a package at the dollar store. You could use any woven material or burlap. You just need a rectangle and you glue the side seams together and then fold it down in the front. I also cut two more straps from this for two more strips of material for the straps of the bag, and I made them long so it could go cross shoulder. I glued on a button for a closure and left a couple long threads. Then I glued it on the gnome across body. The rod is a skewer, a wooden skewer, and I cut just the tiny tip off and then painted it silver. And then my husband, sweetheart he is, finished it for me. For the reel, he used a disposable pie plate. He cut a rectangle from this first, then he crimped it around the skewer and cut out for the bobbin shape. He put black tuck tape. He measured out and spaced the uh, line eyelets that he made from wire, and then he duct taped those on. The last part of the reel is the bobbin. This is just a sewing machine plastic bobbin that was threaded with a fishing line colored thread, and then we glued that into the pie plate reel holder and threaded the thread through the eyelets and attached the fly. The flies are just some thin silver wire bent in a hook shape with an eyelet on the end curled around a toothpick, and added some feathers to them. I hope you enjoyed our video. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Have a good day.